You can access our library catalog at home or at school by opening up Internet Explorer and typing in wimedia.goalexandria.com, then click on the Researcher button. Once you're on this page, you can type your search directly in the box up here. Let me type in a title. So after I've typed in my title, I'm going to click the button that says Title, and that will show me all books called Kingdom Keepers, since that's what I typed in. Once I have my list of results, there are a few important things to notice. First thing to notice is the title of the book here in blue. Next thing to notice is if it is in or out. In means it's in stock. You can go to the shelf and get it. Out means somebody else already has it checked out. Next thing you want to notice about the blue title is this call number. That's the address of the book. It tells you where you can find it on the shelf. So let's try a search if I know the author's name, but not the title. So I've typed in the author's name, then I'll click the author button, and it pulls up all books by Jeff Kinney. Important thing to notice is title of the book, the call number of the book right above that blue title, and if it is in or out. These stars are helpful. They're reviews that students have written. So if you see yellow stars, you know that students have written reviews that you can click on and read to see if you might want to read that book. When you click on the book itself, it'll give you more information. If I scroll down to the bottom of the record, then I'll notice that it sometimes will tell me other books in the series. It will also suggest other books that I might like. This feature only works in Internet Explorer, but it's a good one to play around with. I'm going to do a new search, and let's imagine I know my subject, but not my title or author. So I'm going to type in my subject as cat, and then I can either hit enter or I can click on subject. So this is doing a search for books about cats for me. And let's say that I think this is the book that I want. I'm going to notice title, if it's in or out, and that call number. This one is nonfiction, so I go to the nonfiction area. So that's important to notice. Alexandria has other features as well. You can use this button to see what books are most popular right now. It'll show you a list of the most popular books. You can also see some of our new books. And you can also do research by accessing our online databases. These are good places when you're researching inquiry questions or just want good, reliable information. The login option is not required to find a book, but if you want to write a review or save lists of books that you are interested in reading, then you will need to log in. We can talk about that if you're interested in that later. This filter button here is where you can filter by reading level. When you're interested in that, we can deal with how that works. So that is the basics. What you need to know is wimedia.goalexandria.com. Keep it simple when you type in the box. Don't type a whole question. And when you have done a search, make sure that you look for, is it in or out, and what is the call number of that book so we can find it on the shelf. Thanks for learning about Alexandria. Happy reading.